Each of us wants to discover the joy of hitting the road and storing things safely, because a messy car is a huge cause of stress. A great solution is Helteko Backseat Organizer, easy to install. Long, strong straps. Spacious pockets. 9 useful compartments. Touchscreen tablet holder. Fits tablets up to 10.5 inches. Comes with 4 charging holes, high-quality material. Available in black and gray. Mud and kick protection. A reliable product will make your road more organized and comfortable. Happiness not only for your kids. Enjoy other Helteko products. Helteko, make your life happier.